I'm here to pick up my baby.
Sure. You're looking good. You don't think we can work things out?
Nah, you have your chance and you blew it. Now you see, fat, beautiful, hot, sexy girl. You're tripping.
So why you going so, eh? So you really are come going up, going. That's why I can't deal with you, girl.
You're tripping.
Me go over the boy yard. We go pick up me pitney, and Emma looked me. After bit of married and left me for old gal, eh?
I same way my dirty baby daddy tan. Him fee say me feel lift up to me fractal and give him front. Like him check see I saw things work.
Why can't try to get back with me? Me tell him so that's not possible. Moreover, me I deal with me Rasta man right now. We a take care of me good coochie. At that me I try make no.
That's why me no deal with them. Me no once me drop them, me done. Take care of your picking and go on boy your business. And that me I try to tell them every time me see them.
Yo, me really need to find a way, how to get back my baby mother, Me I try see if me can break up the relationship, and get rid of the Rasta boy there,
Yes, dog. You really need to try to get her back and get rid of that boy there.
Cause you know what I go on, me no want him around my family, Yeah, that me have to say.
You the boss, Are you me work for, Anything you depend on that me depend here.
You know, some woman I tell me say, the baby daddy I try to get back with her. She go over there go pick up her pitney, and boy I give her a whole heap of argument I tell me about for left Rasta. And when the blood cleat I tell me say, dog, for real? Me can't believe that, my youth. Remember me tell you that, That boy don't know so me go over there go bust off piece in face. I won't really take gangster rock for. Yo, I really bust you for bust off your boy head, Me will come help you, And that me I try make you know. Me, that's what me stay single. You hear me tell you, me can't take bun. Cause me da fi kill everybody. And that me I try make you know. Me can't deal with them the things, my brother. Him no know about Rasta. Rasta no play game, You understand me? I'm a cutlass there for chop left, right, and center. And that me I try some boy better know, Me no play. You hear me, aya? You have to fix the situation quick. You hear me tell you? Remember me tell you that. Remember say me tell you. You hear me?